Good morning mga kabsat gayem. Pasensya na, kagigising ko lang. Kita nyo naman sa buhok ko. Tag na doon. Busy kasi ako sa work. Tas napagod ako. Hindi naman ako napagod sa work. Kaso nung dalawang gabi, nag-e-edit kasi ako ng mga video. So like mga 3 AM na ako natutulog. Kaya sa work, pagod na pagod ako. Pagdating ko sa bahay, tas umupo lang ako, yun, nakaidlip ako. Yun. Tas, guys, this is the real life. Yan itong real nating buhay. Kaya ngayon, magkakape na tayo. 'Di ba? Yeah, okay. Ayan na. Kininig ko lang kayo. Good morning, mga kabsat and gayem. Hindi na pala, magpapaalam sana ako kahapon sa inyo na, kasi sabi ko, mag-ano na lang ako ngayon. Video na lang din ako. Ayan. So, let's see what will gonna happen today, guys. Ayan. Okay, bye. See, kita-kits mamaya. Mga anak ko, good morning anak. Why? Good morning. Kiss mommy. How you doing? Huh? Eating Nutella with bread. Buksan natin guys itong isang bintana namin. Mali. Sa kabila. Pero hindi na kami mag-on ng ilaw. Ayan. Maliwanag na. Hi neighbor. Morning neighbor. Yan. Yan ang kuwan muna ng aking mga anak. Nanonood muna sila at the moment. Ay. Anak, ikatam dyan napi mo. Take off your napi now. Liam. Even though. Hello mga kabsat gayem. We're gonna make breakfast. Okay, painit muna ng water again. So, coffee is life. Okay. Then we're gonna warm this food. This one. And I'm gonna warm it. Yan, warm natin. Let's warm it. Para naman, warm siya na papasok sa ating stomach. Iayos ko lang tong mga nahugasan na. This one. Tumatabi ang ating camera. Ang ating phone camera. Well, we're gonna make coffee now. Coffee again. Tapos mamaya maliligo ka. Kasi ano kami. Grocery ulit. Mayaw pa. Oh, yeah. Wait, kumukulo na pala siya, guys. Super kulo na. Ayan. Yan na. Super kulo na siya. Let's turn it off. Okay na siya. Tapos, na-mix ko na din ang aking coffee with coffee, creamer, and sugar. Let's put hot water na. Let's put hot water na. Guys. Ay, sorry naman.
Hi, Slender. I love your stitch face. Thanks. I made something for you. Follow me.
Let's do this maze, guys. Like and subscribe if you like my Slender. I'm excited to see what they can make, baby.
Making these Slenders forever.
I've never been near this black car here in Brookhaven, and I'll explain everything to you in this video. I was just chilling out, playing on the swing in Brookhaven Square when suddenly a black
Ay,
car...
sorry naman po. Hindi pala ako nakita.
Yes, it is. I'm so happy no one stole it. Can I come get it today? I can get
Yan, tas na-mix na po ang ating coffee. Over here. Can you see me? Pasensya na, mahirap ang ano. Walang videographer. But it's okay na walang videographer because na boost mo yung skills mo. Yun. Kaso ano lang, experience lang. More experience. Another coffee. Sakto na. Yan. Okay. That's it. Okay na, warm na yung food. Palang mga kutsara. Are you not going to eat? Ouch. Huh? Ate Ashley, not going to eat?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Roblox games we used to play as kids. Like if you remember these.
I used to play that. I miss that game. No.
Roblox
I
games.
can't find it anymore.
Okay guys, our food is warm. So nagluto ang aking husband ng pares. Kaso hindi kasi kompleto yung like ingredients na like yung mga laman loob. Tsaka yung ano yung sabi niya? One lang siya, yung ano lang to. Ay, mainit. Wait. Ito ano lang siya, ayan, beef lang talaga na karne yung ginawa niya. Kasi kung kasi dito hindi ka makakahanap ng like yung mga laman loob, like yung sa may chicharon, bulaklak, mga ganun. Meron namang mga laman loob ng mga baboy dito or baboy, kaso hindi siya kompleto. Kaya yan, pero at least may pares kami. Kahit hindi siya kompleto ng laman loob. Kasong nilagyan ko na lang siya ng rice. Kasi gusto kong kumain ng Diba? Rice with soup. Yan.
Cat, making cat mode.
Favorite Roblox
Yan.
YouTuber.
Okay, kain muna ako.
Before the
Video ko ito sarili.
Pasigan ibon ang ating kahapon.
Pasang
Lamang
Ay, nakumilig ko.
ang ating
Hey, nananaluto ka na.
lipas ng panahon, bakit kailangan lumisan ang panahon pagkakataon? Ay babalik ba ang kahapon? Ito tiket ko mabuyain.
Yan ah.
Troy.
Ha? Nyata? Nyata?
Nag-droid trade.
Cinema? Sinihan?
Netflix yung pa umot dito.
Baka pang Filipino lang. Pilipinas lang. Baka pang
Netflix nga rin.
uri Netflix ha na dito pay Can't Buy Me Love na kahit kubuyaan di pul ano na awan dita. No Netflix Philippines lang mostly gila doma. Pang Philippines lang.
Ito yung nag-droid trade. Tatandaan mo ba? This is the best. I keep on looking on the chest. Schedule kung sabi pa ko na.
Remember lakay.
Nung napaluto ka ron, pangit mo patato ka ti summer. Ito ko lang.
Oh.
Nasa bacteria ti summer.
Han, remember what I told you?
Dahil.
Siyempre, yung ano ko. Ayan ka. Kasi ano lang I need more storage.
Nakita nam naman?
Hintay sirip ah. Kasi, buwan lang siripan. Kapaging pa-inquire lang, okay? Okay? Ngayon ka? What's this? Sorry sa mga dipping na yan.
Yato.
O yan! May hi ka kamat anay. Hi ka kamat anay ka na video.
Like, I feel
Isend cooking ka ako eh.
Oo.
Ano binasa? Ano na? Isend cooking ka, mabubuyain.
Pwede na minsan kit. Ay yung paano matatanggal ang taba sa katawan ko naman. Yan, tapos na tayong maghugas. Mag-ano na ako. Pag na doon, magsasampay na.
Yes, that's true.
Ano na? Ano?
Yes,
Yes, mas masaya ang
agree.
kabataan ng mga batang 90s. Lumilipas ang panahon. Gunita ang mga puno't halaman. Kahit hindi ko na alam ang Hi guys. Hi mga kakabsat gaye. Sampay muna tayo.
Agawin. Nagpalpas pangal daw. Kung ka, pagkati ay magbalbaliw man, gawin ka.
Oy! Madina mga kasjay. Ay,
Kaya.
mga kuanak mo after
Isip ti saksakat at taptako.
patintero. After lunch nakmat nga rumurumurmot.
Kamigdigos.
Karayan kinya karay.
Kamigdigos si Dejo. Oray lakas-lakas. Masok di matapaw.
Nangingisit.
Kumbota.
Nangingisit ka ba ya?
Kulay ko tikit kitaman.
Apisi ka lang, pati syakmat ko na. Tapos Dragon Ball Z or Ghost Fighter. Mecha mecha. Nagtutulog-tulogan sa Ano yan? Naladawan.
Daddy, say I love you in sign language. No, it's that.
It's nani?
Hell no. Okay then.
Let's go!
I had a weird dream last night that I was a giraffe riding in a plane. I was a giraffe riding a
Bakit
plane.
din?
Mama, I
Dalam sa gisay man.
had a
Let's
bad.
go
Nasa
now,
gisay man
guys.
sa tabuk mo na.
We're going to grocery na. Yan.
Sige, saya man na saya tabuk mo kung lang aro dun.
Can you get that comb, ate?
Gana.
Let's go, nanay!
Patagi medyas ko na medyas ko.
Ate, garage.
Ang mga alam.
Ashley, will you get daddy's sack?
Gana
Garage?
What?
Sige, saya tabuk mo kung lang aro.
But I want to have popsicle. But I want to have some. This is me. Can I have
Comb your
popsicle
hair
and
ko
have
na.
me? Well, I already combed my hair. Oh, my mister. I had a dream about.
Mm.
Mama, come here.
Say hi!
Mama.
Oh.
I had a dream about that all of us went to Tita's house in the Philippines,
Oh.
and then there was a tornado there, and then you and Ashley got sucked in, and then I was hiding behind a chair, but Daddy was here too. But Daddy didn't get sucked in, and then before and then
Ayan guys, isosoli namin. Oh, isosoli namin tong hiniram ko na food warmer. Yan, isosoli namin yan. Soli pa namin yan.
Dubo to.
Lagyan na nila kayo dun sa likod ng sasakyan yung ano. Yung hiniram kong food warmer. Ano? Why did you close it? Ano niya ate, ninagasgas sa matan? Ay. Oh. Anak, your water. Oh. Oh. Put in the middle. Yun, isa pa. Meron pang isa. Kukunin nila kay. Yan. Third.
Stamot na eh. Amo na linisan na eh.
Ano to? Meron matante na. Tapos ayun yung ano namin, yung grocery bag. Lakay, nakalimutan mo na ako. Akin yung tulbak na. No?
Nakasapatos na eh.
Ay. Yan guys, tignan nyo naman sa likod ng aming sasakyan. Napagkasya. Oh. Napagkasya namin yung ano. Yung food warmer. Tapos yung eco bag namin. Ayan.
Stepped on my shoe.
Just wait. Adami ka. Ay. We're doing Asian grocery nga road. Jiggy oh, Liam. Cup noodles like that. Go. Let's go to daddy.
I love stepping on a pole.
You get your cup noodles now, Han. Cup noodles you. Cup noodles. Dapat may isang seafood gibalay. There's one more seafood in the house. Okay. Pick now your instant noodles. Yeah.
2 each.
Yeah, get 2 each now.
You got 2 each.
Oh, well then I have 3 because there's still one more.
You want more?
4 more pancit canton. 4. Yep, okay. Put in our cart now. I want chicken. There's no chicken or what? Biscuits nga kwata dagdag di cupcake. Ado pa iti seaweed da. Yeah. The big one anak ta resealable. Yep.
Don't we still have this?
Yeah, just one, just one.
This?
Yeah, just one.
What the? Oh, wait, yeah, should I?
Yeah, I'll take it now. Just one, anak. Put it back. We share.
No.
Yan. Kunin ko to. Put on that one.
Kaya wala may drive. Ano lang yun?
Yan, we got magic. Ate latanhan.
Oh, dinakdakal.
Dati ni on na ala 150. Tay?
Oh, dinakdakal.
Awon sa.
Wala pa.
Atoy?
Wala.
Nalala ka atoy? Ito na lang. We're gonna buy this. It's our trolley. Ha? Stop now. Yeah, let go. So we'll get Coco Mama daw. Coco Mama.
I like this. I like the juice.
Palpalistak yun yung supply.
3 in 1. Nadaan nakaalan akong 3 in 1. Tani. 3 in 1. Pay na. Did you get the onion ring? Iji sangok atanhan. Iji sangok. Just wait, Liam. There's car. Oh, just follow Daddy Liam.
I've walked the streets in this game for 3 decades, and I'm still fighting your corner. That's right, I'm the editor-in-chief. Join me for the all-new Editor-in-Chief Live, 7:30 a.m. Monday on Rover.
Parang ganun lang, oh. Do like that, oh. Damag exposure ko. Ayan. Closer. Veggies na yung nagkitan.
Do I stop now?
No, nga yun.
Adeng pano patapas yun, ha?
Ada. You move over there, Amat.
How?
Just do videoing me like that while you're walking.
I'm walking backwards though.
So means to say, naalaga, pinalok mo. Yeah, look nice.
What? Oh yeah. Yeah.
You're mean.
I saw it.
No, there's more. You just already said yeah. Oh.
What's that? What's that? The pants?
We do have.
We don't have house.
We do have.
Cute stuffed toys. lang magbibideo sa sarili ko. Diba? Walking. You go toilet now. Say. Sika papanan tayo? Dapat papanan tayo kade? Ah? 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 Ay, hindi nangarad nagsirip lakay. Apo? Wow. Hello. Samsung S24. S24. Titingin lang kami, guys. We're just gonna take a look, guys.
Can we please have a wardrobe ready?
What?
Can we please have a wardrobe?
Lang kami ha, hindi kami bibili.
Mama, Mommy,
What?
on my birthday, can I have a watch? Please, Mama. Mama. Mama.
Guys, we're here na in grocery. Yes, lakay, kamatis. Ay, Ashley, look, we'll get this one. Temptation. Will you give to daddy enough? One apple. Ah? Dua. Hello everyone. We're doing grocery. Potato. You want kiwi fruit or strawberry or what?
Strawberry.
Strawberry? Oh, you have ano? We get the strawberry later. Where's Liam?
Liam's behind.
Let's hanap na ako. Meats. Pork hock. Ito pala yung nabibili namin. Oh, they have a good strawberry. Ay, meron pala ako dito. Ito na lang. Pork, chicken, and until dawn. And meat sections over there. We go to seafood over there. Ah, dapay sausage. Seafood, tilapia only. If there's tilapia. If there's tilapia. Tilapia. Fish. Hello. a blue bag?
Look at this. The tail and the head is gone.
Can you open? Open like that. Very good. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
No tail.
What? No tail. This is the seafood section.
Mama,
Yes.
there had no tail and no head.
Yeah, because they separate. We can buy them separate. Thank you. Give to daddy. Careful over there. Hey Liam. Bacon and egg.
I like bacon and cheese.
Means? Steak nga eh. Steak na lang anak. It's more good the steak one. Chunky one. Expiration nahan kita ma.
Mama, they both taste the same.
Best before aji naka. And I'll get Yakult. Oh, ayun na pala yung probio. It's over there. Yeah. And I'll get this milk. Kasi malayo pa. Can you, oh, Atay, hold it. Just gonna double check. Yeah, it's sealed. Oh. Yan, we get this. Give to daddy now. Bread section. Hindi ako makapag-video guys ng sarili ko. Ako naman kasi ang videographer. Lang guys. Yeah. Grocery na. What?
Wait, no, it's not.
What's that?
It's 7.99.
Huh?
It's brownie.
Brownies? I don't like too much sugar na.
Mama, I like this.
No. Don't touch it. No. Ha? Wala natin Haratoy tayon? Tagaduwan sa lang ata.
We actually it's not good.
Nalala ka ngamin pack and save horned beef ha? Ashley, mabada ka mata ni chicken. Ay, chicken. Egg.
Ashley. What's this?
Yes. Sugar. Oh, pala sa breakfast yung coffee later. Tingnan natin ang masarap. Bat soap. Go bat soap. Diba? Ganyan nga. Oh, ganda yan. Hello. Yan. Ito na lang ang aking video. Kasi hindi nila alam video yung anak ko. Cookies.
No. That's brownie.
Yes. Oh. Paying now.
Oh, that's
We're paying now. Huh? No, we got the ice cream already. That's all we've got there. In the trolley. You're eating now. Brownie. Han, ano si data yun no rabe eh? What is our ulam? Hi guys, mga gayem and kakabsat. If you like our video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the notification bell to update more video. Hanggang dito na lang po itong vlog na to. Separate ko na lang po yung video ko ng grocery haul. Bye! See ya next time. Bye-bye.
Later.